Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you are brand new or been through our doors before, we would love the chance to make you happy. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.